Sunday, January 18, Feast of the Santo Niño. First reading is from the book of Prophet Isaiah, chapter 9, verses 1 to 6. The people who walk in darkness have seen a great light upon those who dwelt in the land of gloom. A light has shone, have brought them abundant joy and great rejoicing, as they rejoice before you at the harvest, as men make merry when dividing spoils. For the yoke that burdened them, the pole on their shoulder, and the rod of their taskmaster, you have smashed as on the day of Midian. For every boot that trampled in battle, every cloak rolled in blood, will be burned as fuel for flames. For a child is born to us, a son is given to us. Upon his shoulder dominion rests. They name him Wonder, Counselor, God, Hero, Father forever, Prince of Peace. His dominion rests is vast and forever peaceful. From David's throne and over his kingdom, which he confirms and sustains by judgment and justice, both now and forever. The seal of the Lord of hosts will do this. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Please like and subscribe.